Linking your bank account to Bank of Lincoln County is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. Follow this guide to ensure a smooth connection. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have your bank account details handy, including your account number, routing number, and any other required identification information. Step 2. Access online banking. Visit the Bank of Lincoln County website and log into your online banking account. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or link external accounts option in the menu. This is typically found under the accounts or services section. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your account 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your information, review it for accuracy and submit the request. You may need to verify the link for a small test deposit made by Bank of Lincoln County to your external account. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Bank of Lincoln County. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance.